In today's video, I'm making some nutty almond bars. These have a soft base and a crunchy nutty topping. This is one of my family's favorite dessert. Start by making the base first. To do that, we're going to turn on the stove on a medium heat. Put our pot on it and then add a half a cup of butter and then let butter melt in the saucepan. Now that the butter has melted, we're going to turn off the stove and add our dry ingredients to it. To the butter, we're going to add 2 cups of packed brown sugar and mix it up. We'll also add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to add 2 eggs to the mix and then quickly mix it so that the eggs don't coagulate. Here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder mixed together. Add that to our base here. Now we're going to incorporate the flour into the mix until all the flour has been combined. We'll then spread this onto a greased 9 by 13 inch metal pan and then bake it in a 350 degrees preheated oven for 20 minutes. While the base is baking, prepare the nutty topping. In a small saucepan, we'll add 1/4 cup of butter and let it melt. Next, add and mix 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of corn syrup, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now stir the mixture until it comes to a full rolling boil. Once it starts boiling, continue to boil for 4 minutes, stirring constantly. Then add 1.5 cups of slivered almonds and turn off the heat. The base is now ready to come out. Spread the topping evenly over the base, making sure the entire surface is covered, and then bake for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from the oven and let it cool for 30 minutes. So the almond bars have cooled off and we're going to slice them into pieces. Now let's take a look at the inside of this almond bar. Look at that. Amazing. Looks delicious. And there you have it. Our wonderful and delicious almond bars with a nutty topping and an amazing taste. Let's give it a taste test here. Look at the base. It's amazing. Let me give it a try. Oh my God, that is delicious. It's just soft enough and crunchy from the almonds and a really nice nutty taste. Thanks for watching. Bye.